Chocolate truffles. Chocolate truffles have to be the best treat for any Mother's Day. I'm going to show you my favourite recipe and how quick and easy it actually is. First, we have a good quality dark chocolate, condensed milk and crushed pistachio nuts. Now, you can add in any nuts here, but pistachio really make this special. Now, melt it all together over a gentle heat. When it's nice and smooth, pour into any lined tin. Let it cool down at room temperature. This should take about an hour or two. When it's cooled, spoon into small amounts into your hand and roll into a ball. When smooth, roll in some cocoa powder. And there you have it. That's how quick and easy it actually is. And these are sure to go quickly.